Hey there, babes. Dad here, and it's Wednesday, January 16th, and we're just walking the pups here along the canal a little bit. Saw this good-sized fish over here. Not even sure what it is. Just like it's a monster fish swimming along the canal. So thought I'd take a quick video of it. Pretty cool, huh? There's the video for the day, babes. Okay, hope you babes have a great week. And thinking of you. Miss you and I love you. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye, loves. Good sized bird over there too. I'm not sure what that is. Some sort of crane. Pretty cool. Ala Wai nature. Trin and Crystal. Crystal's getting bigger. Oh, they're both getting bigger. By the day.